This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
Read. So this is the good one. REST API communicate with the client. HTTP protocol, HTTP hypertext transfer protocol. Okay. And look at this, read this. Get, post, put, delete means user action, means what you do in the application. And these are all developed by the backend developer. The position of this software development team is called the backend developer. And they may know one programming language or they know multiple programming language. To write the backend API, the following the programming language are the best. The JavaScript, Python, Java, Golang, the PHP, and many other. Okay, but the 4 or 5 are the .NET as well. The overcrowded, and basically the millions of companies are using this this programming language to write the backend logic, I mean the business logic. Okay, and end of the day, regardless of the programming language, end of the day they produce this: get, post, put, delete, patch, and all other action that user need to do on the application. Okay. This is how the front end, when you do from the front end, you do all kind of things. Basically, you are actually actioning, right? What you're trying to do is called the action. And those action is nothing but the verb, which is the HTTP action. Simple. And if you are doing the web server related, web server, video server API, ad server, this is how it works in general. But basically, based on your action, the request goes to the specific systems or the computers or the servers. You actually consume the front end, consume the backend API, and that is done by the front end developer. Again, that's not the QA job. Based on the user story, backend developer write the backend logic, and the front end developer design the front end and the consuming the API, and the DevOps engineer actually deploy it, and finally QA complete the testing based on the requirements, and they must understand the requirements very well before they do the testing.